We are at Whipple.
We're back.
Yep.
We were in here before. There was a...
Look at the GT500.
Woo!
Getting the supercharger.
So we're back here at Whipple, and
we're putting an intercooler on today.
we're putting intercooler into the truck.
Yep.
If you guys didn't know, Whipple makes intercooler for F150.
Yeah, they kindly, Dustin provided us with his shop and the intercooler today. So we'll go step by step, lay out the tools that are needed for the process, and we'll walk you through it as we learn too.
Yeah.
Well, I got instructions.
We got instructions, so we're good.
Carb compliant, 50 state legal.
50 state legal, carb compliant intercooler.
We're in California.
We're in the state.
So it matters.
So basically, in a nutshell, we got our 15, we got our flathead. We're gonna take these off. One over here, one over here. Disconnect these, right, from the stock intercooler. This is gonna get replaced right here. So we'll disconnect this. That's all flathead work.
Dropped the mount, took the clamps off of the two couplers on this side. Whoever put the clamps on at the factory had to put it in the wrong direction.
Let me see that real quick. Stubby.
Stubby.
Want one of these.
Yeah. Always good to have.
But okay, hold this up. Will even focus. 8mm.
To remove the turbo bypass valve from the existing intercooler.
So you do have to take this clip cable out from, where was it? Up here?
Yeah.
And then you gotta take that bolt out, which we're gonna do right now.
And
Lefty loosey, bro. Who made that mistake earlier? That's why I'm the camera guy.
you can't get to the flathead side of these couplers here. I just left this one on. Now we can take it off and put her back on.
Okay, out with the old.
And with the new. That's what it is. Yep. This one does. Oh, I see.
All right, quick update.
To get more clearance for the intercooler, this little shielding here needs to be removed.
Is that like 30 clips on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Okay. Yeah, I heard if you talk dirty to it goes better.
So we got the little
Get rid of this trash.
shroud off of there.
I think there's more space up here.
So
Update the Whipple kit.
stock,
Bolt requires
10 millimeter.
So stock one was an 8, but when you put on the bolt that comes with the kit, you're gonna need a 10mm. Pretty easy. So the whole point of this video, guys, is for you to be aware. First of all, Whipple is involved in the Ecoboost motor, and second of all, to get more power.
More power, baby. Well, more efficient power for longer. So the couplers, the clamps here, 11 millimeter.
So right now you're going to need a 15,
An 8.
an 8, a 10, and an 11.
No 10.
Yeah, 10 for the...
Oh, for the new bolt, correct.
And a flathead.
And a flathead.
And a wire cutter. More tools than you thought.
Right.
The long side. Long side goes on the intercooler.
Yep.
Short side goes up into the engine. All right, a couple of housekeeping things. Make sure from the old intercooler, you take these rubber grommets, take it off and put it on a new intercooler so you don't get nasty metal.
Or they come off right here.
They come off from right there on the old one. Bad news, YouTube. It's all coming back out. Because there's one right there we forgot.
All right, so we went through, got it all up. Make sure you get these rubber grommets on top and bottom.
Top and bottom, top and bottom. Can't say it enough.
Make sure you tighten the
15.
bracket bolts here, 15 millimeters. Got both these sides. Make sure all 4 of these flat-headed bolts are tight.
And this is the stock
And-
tubes. This is the stuff that came with the kit.
Yeah, make sure these are tight. And then also coming out of the intercooler, make sure the blow-off is plugged in.
Yeah, your
Definitely. Because if not, it's going to be a pain in the ass to do. I recommend
That's it.
plugging it in before you put it up.
sensor. Yeah.
Other than that, that's it. She's
Make
good
sure when
to
you
go.
push the intercooler back up, you push the top
grommets into
the hole.
Yep. Other than that,
She's good to go.
Cool down and throw more boost at her.
I'm gonna throw more boosters.
Boosters.
So yeah, if you guys didn't know, Whipple makes intercoolers
Oh yeah.
for the Ecoboost motors.
Yep.
So if you want one, hit them up
hit them up.
and prepare for when the turbos come, because you're gonna need one of these when you get some Whipple turbos. You're not gonna be able to run those without this. So get this going now. Do all the important pre-modifications.
Got any questions?
Let us know in the
Hit us
comments below. Also, you have Facebook? Follow our Facebook group. Let me hear your voice.
21 High Performance F150. Facebook. Find us.
Find us. Oh yeah, and one more thing. Read the instructions. Read the instructions. The mistakes we made that we didn't read the instructions for.
Right here.
Right here. Read the instructions. Don't forget the
Transfer
grommets.
the rubber isolators from OEM intercooler to Whipple cooler.
Yep.
Super important.
Follow the instructions.